Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp or not. Let's get started. Open up your WhatsApp app and log in your account on your WhatsApp with your phone number, and then you will come in your chat box. Once you come in your chat box, you will see your friend list or the people that you have on the WhatsApp. You will see over here in the chat box. So let's check it out if someone blocked you or not. So I am checking on the top one. So as you can see over here in this chat, there is no chat over here. So I am doing is like I want to send a message to check it out if this person is blocked me or not. So as you can see, I have written over here hi, so send it. So as you can see over here, it's mark over here like single tick. If you comes over here, so you will see deliver. There is no delivery over here in this message, and also no read receipts as well. So as you can see over here, if there is a single mark or if they didn't seen your message, so it's mean like you have blocked from that person. So as you can see, if there is like 1 to 2 minutes, this will be like a single tick, or this message will be not delivered to that person. It's mean they blocked you and they don't want to talk you on the WhatsApp. So as you can see on the top, title name or like nameplate, below this you will never see online option over here as well. And if you see this person has DP or like profile picture over here, they didn't have profile picture as well. When you click on their profile picture, they didn't open. So it's mean this person is blocked you, and that's it. There is the three ways to check your if someone blocked you on WhatsApp or not. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like more videos, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.